Okay, sir, it's fixed. No, you won't be getting charged.
So, is there any problem in fitting?
Pardon me?
Is there any problem in fitting because the in October the new contractor coming and fixing this one, so they, before I have long sink, right, so there is not oftenly clogged.
Yeah.
But after this changes again,
Listen,
like every month
You're back to back with your neighbor.
uh,
Your neighbor that way,
okay.
and you share the line.
Oh,
You have to be careful with food. Like you have a little bit of food, right? But that's just a little bit, but probably lots more, you know? Who knows, right? But you have to be careful with that stuff.
we always like put hot water after like every
Hot water, soap.
15-20 minutes. We use every day, but still like after they keep
But you're back to back, and you're also up.
Up.
You share some apartments up above, maybe 4 or 5 apartments.
we talk with landlord. They said they don't have like same line, different line. They like say like that.
Well, they won't tell you anything, you know, because they don't. They most likely don't know the people inside. You know, when you say you ask the landlord, you're asking the ladies in the office. Well, they don't know nothing about.
But they don't give landlord direct number, right? So we have to talk.
Well, who are you going to call? The owner of the company? He probably wouldn't even know. You got to ask us, and then we can tell you. But today, it's not your fault. I'm not putting it down as your fault. Okay, so you're not. It's you don't have to thank me. It's just not your fault. Okay, simple as that. Okay, take care. Okay then. Yes, have a good evening. Sorry we're so late today, eh?
It's okay.
Okay, bye-bye now.
Bye.
Good night.
Good night.